Lymphocytes are white blood cells that allow your body to build up immunity to disease. Every pathogen, from chickenpox to the cold virus, produces its own specific chemical, called an antigen. Lymphocytes have receptors on their cell surface which match and fit a particular antigen. There are thousands of different lymphocytes circulating throughout your body. If they meet the specific antigen they match with, this triggers the lymphocyte to replicate many times and begin producing proteins called antibodies. Antibodies can bind to the pathogen and help fight it off in a number of ways. They act like a tag that marks the foreign cell. This attracts other lymphocytes that can destroy them directly or clump them together to be ingested by phagocytes. But crucially, once the specific antibody has been produced for the first time, some of these lymphocytes will remain in the immune system once the infection is over. If the same invader ever attacks again, these matching lymphocytes will trigger an immediate and powerful response. They will replicate very quickly, making many copies of the antibody that fits that antigen. This sophisticated response will overwhelm the pathogen. The effects of non-lethal exposure to pathogens arms our body's immune defense. The first time you are infected by a virus, your body's response is slow, but in future it is quicker and more accurate. This is known as resistance or immunity. This forms the basis for how vaccinations work. This explains why, if you've already contracted and recovered from an infection, you can be protected from suffering the same illness again. You have immunity.